Working with Brenner Fit families and with community families, we noticed that there was a need for cooking classes. We noticed that a lot of families were not cooking at home, they were going out to eat, or they didn't have the skills and the confidence to actually go home and cook. So we try to start with the basics. We just want families to cook. That's our goal. And then once they learn how to cook, then we can start adding in nutrition and more education around what they're cooking. Brenner Fit is able to offer several classes for the community and for our Brenner Fit families. We offer several different cooking classes. One of them is called Learn to Cook a Balanced Meal, and that one is open to Brenner Fit families and community members. And so families are taught what a balanced plate is and how the balanced plate actually helps to fill them up and last. So they're taught the 4 components of the balanced plate, and then the recipe that they cook that night actually makes a balanced plate. There's other cooking classes that are only for Brenner Fit families. We have a teenager cooking class, and then we have some where we do families together. But most of our classes are open to the community as well. We try to introduce new foods to families. We try to get the families just to cook together and have fun together. And then we also try to teach new cooking skills to families, whether it's how to cut an onion or how to use a skillet versus how to use the oven. Many of the families that come to us have different cooking levels, so they're always learning something new from a cooking class. We also try to do budget-friendly recipes, so we're always looking at how much does a recipe cost so that families are actually able to do this once they go home. Another goal of our class is to try and do quick recipes. We have families always say that they want something quick, that they don't have time to go home and cook. That's one reason they go out to eat. So the goal of our cooking class is to offer them a quick recipe. Usually they're 30 minutes or less, and that way they experience it in our kitchen, they realize how quick it can be, and then they can go home and replicate it. This really balances well with clinic. When we're talking about health and nutrition in clinic, they then get to come to a cooking class and actually do this together and work on some of the health things that we're talking about in clinic, whether it's the balanced plate or trying new foods. And then they get the skills, which increases their confidence to actually go home and put some of these skills to use.